Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. So today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra weighs about 220 grams, and compared to the other phones, that's kind of large, and it's probably going to be heavy inside your hand because of the low quality Galaxy S20 only weighs 163, and then the medium range is 186 grams. So the display for the Galaxy S Ultra 5G is a 6.9 quad HD dynamic AMOLED display, and it has 120 Hz refresh rate support. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, on the front camera or the selfie camera, the FOV is 80 degrees. And 4 cameras on the back. The first one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Second one is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera. The next one is a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. Then the fourth one is depth vision camera. And I think all of them are able to zoom in, or one of them are probably able to zoom in 10 times, and then another camera is probably built for a super resolution zoom up to 100 times. The camera modes, there's a lot of camera modes. One of them is single take, second one is photo, third video, and then pro, food, night, live focus video, pro video, super slow-mo, slow motion, and hyperlapse. The resolution for the video recording can either be 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, or it could be 4K ultra high quality video recording at 60 FPS. The shooting speed, you can have super steady on, or you can do super slow mode, which can be supported at 960 frames per second. So the battery inside the Galaxy S20 Ultra is 5,000 milliamps, and the low quality end is 4,000 milliamps, and the medium quality is 4,500 milliamps. And the data, or the internal hard drive or storage, can be either 16 gigabyte RAM with 512 gigabytes internal storage, or you can have 12 gigabyte RAM with 256 gigabyte internal storage, or 12 gigabyte RAM with 128 gigabyte storage. Okay, some of the sensors are ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, a bar meter, proximity sensor, and an RGB light sensor. And one of the only things that I'm going to be talking about is the wallpaper. So for the wallpaper, you can either choose a stationary photo that doesn't move, or you can do a GIF, or you can just put a 15-second video on the wallpaper. So if you enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe so we know what type of topics to talk about. See you later.